Dumela, welcome back to Sona class. Today I'm not alone. I'm with my friend.
Dumela bagaetsho, I'm Esa Sipato in Istanbul.
Esa ke morutabana wa sekgowa ya puo ya sekgowa. Ko lefatsheng la Turkey mo toropo ya Istanbul. So, Esa, ke a go checka gore o itse Setswana le sekgowa ka nako ya ngwe hela. Ke a itse gore you are polyglot. O bua diteme tse dintsi ebile o itse go di kwala le go di bua.
So you're gonna put me on the spot.
So test So we are going to learn useful expressions and let's see if Essa still remembers Setswana and can translate for us. All right?
Yeah. I hope that by the end of this, Botswana will not be throwing tomatoes at me. Like, how dare you forget Setswana?
Yes.
Yes,
So the first word is
I'm so sleepy. I got it.
Good one.
Yeah, and challenge me.
Okay.
Challenge me. Yeah. I woke up very early today. I mean, today.
Wow. Yeah. You still have it. Onna guy. I know this one is easy.
Where do you live?
Kialape.
I'm going home.
Okay. Yeah, these are basic. Okay. Well, I
mean, if you had asked me to say like laping, as in, laping, the thing that we have at the homestead, laping, lelwapa.
So I think I should challenge you even more. Let's use these expressions in like a sentence, all right? Ke batla kerese le paraffin.
Okay. I want a candle and paraffin.
Okay.
Is it even called paraffin in English? I'm sorry.
It is. I think. Ke nwa coffee. Kamashi. Dipudi.
I'm drinking coffee with goat's milk.
Okay. So I mean, it helps because Esa is a Motswana, so I'm not expecting him to like fail on this one. Okay.
I feel sick. I have a headache and I have a stomach ache.
Okay. Wow. I know. At this point, I'm giving up. I think I'm giving you the last one because I see that we are not going anywhere. Now I'm embarrassed because I feel I'm prepared. Okay. So ke go thubile ko lapeng go tsulwe mesoka la tsebeng e le meraro.
Okay. So my house was robbed and 3 headphones were stolen.
I got you.
Wait, Musa, look, Motswana 100%. But Musa, I have never had to say Musa Kela Saving. What is Musa Kela Saving? Musa Kela Saving? Yeah, what is Musa Kela Saving?
Ke phone.
Okay, fine. So if you had said Mogala wa letheka, fine, then I would.
But then, yeah, ke was easier. So yes, that brings us to the end of this lesson. Sorry, I'm very sick. I'm congested, allergies, and all things. So Esa o batla go bua o batla go laela ka Setswana.
Hey, ke itumetse mo go maswe gore ke mo channeleng e. No ile nako e monate, ke jele monate, ke buile Setswana le Motswana wa sekei and ke solohela gore re tla ira e nngwe gape, re tla ira sekapa ntshwantsho se sengwe gape.